For the purpose of education, I'm going to record 45 chapters of PowerPoint slides, since the book Research Methods in Education is comprised of 45 chapters. This book contains key information in terms of research, so I decided to record these slides in order to share the information in the book. These slides are from Research Methods in Education course materials. Education research methods enable research findings to be credible, reliable, accurate, and verifiable. The process of recording and reading all the contents of this book is tedious and time-consuming, but I will do it for the sake of reading. Chapter 1. The nature of inquiry, setting the field. Structure of the chapter: the search for truth. Two conceptions of social reality: positivism. The assumptions, nature, and truth of science. The scientific method. Criticisms of positivism and the scientific method. Post-positivism. Naturalistic approaches, normative and interpretive paradigms, phenomenology, ethnomethodology, symbolic interactionism, constructionism, criticisms of naturalistic and interpretive approaches, post-positivism, postmodernism, and post-structuralism, complexity theory. Paradigms of social research: positivist, interpretive, mixed methods, post-positivist, post-structuralist, postmodernist, complexity theory. Positivism in the macro view: natural science, generalization, nomothetic laws, objectivity, prediction, causality, control manipulation, quantification, large scale. This is Positive's design sequence. Identify topic, review previous literature, formulate hypotheses, design research, collect data, and analyze data. When analyzed data is verifiable and credible, we go report findings. But the analyzed data is not sufficient to report. We should look for alternative explanation or restart process again. Positive methods include experiments, surveys, and tests. Post-positivism is against positivism. These are characteristics of post-positivism. Our knowledge of the world is not absolute, but partial, conjectural, falsifiable, challengeable, provisional, probabilistic, and changing. There's no absolute truth, but probabilistic knowledge only. No once and for all foundational knowledge and grand narratives of singular objective reality discoverable through empiricism, positivism, behaviorism, and rationalism. Tentative speculation in which multiple perspectives, claims, and warrants are brought forward by the researcher. No theory-free observations. Different theories can support specific observations or facts. Social facts, ways of thinking and observing, are social constructions rather than objectively and universally true. The values, biographies, perceptions, theories, environment, and existing knowledge of researchers influence what is being observed. And continue to the previous slide. Facts and observations are theory-laden and value-laden. The separation of fact and value in positivism is unsustainable. Facts and theories are fallible. There exists an objective reality, but there is a pluralistic view of multiple coexisting realities rather than a single reality. The scientific method holds, but strong theories are contingent on their ability to withstand severe tests of their falsifiability. Discoveries are subject to future falsification in the light of new evidence. Interpretive paradigms include naturalistic, idiographic, non-generalizable, understand and interpret, fluidity, change, multiple perspectives, specific, context-bound, intentionality, subjectivity, and agency. Naturalistic approaches include ethnography, ethnomethodology, phenomenology, symbolic interactionism, constructivism. These are naturalistic and interpretive methods. Interpretive ethnographic research sequence: identify topic, literature review, research design, data collection, data analysis, elaboration of concepts or theories, and then report of findings. Naturalistic methods include ethnography, narrative documents, interviews, observations. They are thick descriptions of possible and plausible. Positive approaches: numbers, measurement, survey, experiment. Naturalistic approaches: ethnography, interview, observation, case study, and action research. Post-positivism, postmodernism, post-structuralism. They are included multiple realities, phenomenology, multiple meanings, contradictory discourses, interpretive, agency and individuality, no-credit narratives, difference and diversity, context and temporality, relatives, and no theory-free observation. This is about complexity theory. An emerging paradigm in educational research is that of complexity theory, as schools can be regarded as complex adaptive systems. Complexity theory looks at the world in which break with simple cause and effect models, simple determinism, and linear predictability, and a dissection atomist approach to understanding phenomena, replacing them with organic, nonlinear, and holistic approaches. I will explain complexity theory from notes from Ch1 through the next video. Before closing today's slides, I want to summarize the complexity theory. Open systems, holism, emergence, nonlinear systems, connectedness, emergent order, feedback communication, self-organization, complex adaptive systems, relationships, tipping points, diversity in dynamical systems. We'll see next chapter.